Hi friends, so I'm actually recording this from the future because when we got to the parks today it was pouring with rain and I couldn't get my camera out and we were just not in the mood to film anything really, so I've been filming on my phone. But the sun is finally out, so I'm just gonna kind of do an intro to today's video. I got Boo.
Hi.
She's hanging out on the bed over there. She's got her tea, I've got my coffee.
I've got ears.
Yeah, she has her platinum ears and I have platinum ears too. So we're celebrating the 100th anniversary. But we are at Disneyland today, obviously, and if you can't tell by the room carpet, can you see it? We are at the Disneyland Hotel. But anyway, I hope you'll come along for this journey and see what we get up to. We're here for 2 days, and we're just gonna do as many rides as we can, drink all the cocktails we can, and try some yummy treats as well. So let's get going. This is the Disney100 lemon tea cake from Jolly Holiday Bakery Cafe. It has lemon curd, lemon zest glaze, and a fresh slice of lemon, although mine didn't come with the fresh slice of lemon, but that's what the menu item says. It also has this cute little Disney 100 medallion, chocolate on top, just a little decorative piece. This wasn't my favorite 100th anniversary dessert, but it was pretty good. Yeah, the rain is cold and wet. Should we go over the bridge and then through New Orleans? Okay. So it is very rainy, so I'm using my iPhone because I don't want to get my camera out. It is supposed to stop around 11:12, but it is pouring. I have a raincoat, a jacket, and then a poncho over that. So we're just kind of going from ride to ride. The nice thing is that it's actually really quiet. Like everything's kind of walk on right now. Oh, but it's freaking miserable.
Next time, you're on your own.
It's still raining.
You sure?
I think it might be.
There is the revered Indian shaman, sharing his stories with those in the Great River Valley below.
Thanks, Roger.
And spend that day in the countryside. Good times are here to stay. We'll get away and have a perfect picnic.
Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park.
Oh boy! We made it!
Herbie.
We decided to stop by Cafe Daisy. I grabbed this watermelon lemonade. It's pretty much what it sounds like, but it was good. But the real winner here were the cheesy Flopovers. I just got the plain cheese one. I love the little seasoning on top. And even more exciting, Erin was actually able to get a gluten-free pepperoni cheesy Flopover. She said it was really good. I obviously didn't have a bite, but she liked it. It's surprisingly good. It doesn't taste like Jersey pizza, but it's really good. I like that they put like the seasoning and the Parmesan on top. And Erin was able to get gluten-free, so that's really awesome because that never happens. It wasn't bad. I think it was like 8 something. No, like it's not a bad price, and I feel like it's filling enough.
Yeah, this is like a meal.
Yeah. We desperately needed to dry off, so we stopped by Oga's. I got my favorite, the Outer Rim. This is a really great kind of margarita drink. And then we also both grabbed the Course and Coolers, which are kind of like an old-fashioned. Honestly, we just really wanted to get out of the rain for a little bit, and I'm so glad that we stopped here to do so.
BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep?
Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Understands.
I am Lieutenant Beck. Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump.
Pew pew. On our way back to the Disneyland Hotel, we stopped by Trader Sam's. I had to get the tiki rum, and Erin grabbed just a classic Mai Tai. These are 2 of our favorite drinks to get here, but really, you come to Trader Sam's for this atmosphere. So we just checked into our Disneyland hotel, and it was actually pretty exciting because we booked the cheapest room rate. There's Airaboo! We booked the cheapest room rate, but we got it is making the cut. We got upgraded, which I was not expecting because we didn't check in at the desk. We just checked in online, and usually you only get upgraded when you talk to the cast members at the front desk. You don't have to ask, but sometimes they just give you a little extra magic. But when you walk in, you get a little kind of like vanity area here, which would be great for doing makeup in the morning. But I'm already making myself some coffee because we've been here since opening, and they have Joffrey's coffee. Joffrey's coffee is the best. And then pretty similar to the other Disneyland hotel rooms I've stayed in, here's the bathroom. I love the little hidden touches, like, well, they're not hidden at all, are they? So you have Mickey's hands holding the lamps here. Another little vanity right there. They're still providing H2O toiletries, even though H2O went under business. So at some point, these toiletries are going to disappear. So if you see them, use them because they are actually pretty amazing. We have a little bathtub. Most of the Disneyland hotel rooms, if not all, are bathtubs. So these are older hotels. This is the original Disneyland Resort Hotel. So they are a little bit smaller than most, but they did replace the shower head. So these are pretty nice. And then you'll also find some H2O products here. They're surprisingly good. I know a lot of times hotel toiletries aren't great. Disneyland ones, or Disney toiletries in general, are pretty good. And then you have a separate toilet room right there. And then in this little closet here, So you have a pretty big closet with the Disneyland Hotel bathrobes, which are really luxurious but super expensive. They were $99.99.
Yeah.
So really expensive, but if you wanted to bring one home, you can. Don't take them from the hotel room because they will charge you on your hotel tab, but you can buy them in the hotel gift store. They are like kind of fuzzy lined, super comfy. You can also find your extra pillow and blanket. You can find a boo if you're lucky. But here's where the upgrade comes in, because we were expecting a much smaller room. Look at all this space we have. Like you can fit.
We could have a dance party.
We could have a dance party. Show me the hidden Mickeys.
And there's one here.
That's right.
And there's one here.
So we have hidden Mickeys because there's firework carpeting. Of course, you have the amazing headboard, which is why we love staying here. So you get fireworks. If you can't see the fireworks tonight, you can always see them here. And what do they play? Is it When You Wish Upon a Star?
I think so.
Boo's gonna play it for us. But we have 2 queen beds and tons of space under the beds for storage, which is really awesome. We have technically a pool facing room, but the trees are blocking it. So those are the other 2 towers. We're in the fantasy tower. And if you look to the right, you'll see a tower that's under scaffolding. That is the new DVC tower that will be open for reservations in September. And then I'm guessing that this is a pull-out queen sofa.
It looks like it.
Yeah. So like, look at all this room we have. This is insane. Aaron's gonna check it.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, so you can easily sleep 6 people in here. And we didn't pay for this room. We paid for the most standard room, no view, standard queen room. So this was just like a little added bonus. And then up here you have our cable and pellet party, which I love. Down below you'll see a mini fridge and some drawers. Got a little desk, tons of charging. One of the things I like about Disney, like the latest upgrades with Disney hotels, you also have USB-C charging, which is really handy. So alarm clock has 2 USBs, and then each bed will have a reading light.
And they have fancy little pillows.
They do. One pillow says a dream is a wish your heart makes, and the other one says when you are fast.
Asleep.
Thank you. I wasn't gonna sing it. And then my favorite. Every Disneyland hotel room I've stayed in has this amazing portrait of Walt walking through Sleeping Beauty Castle. We got to the park. It was pouring rain pretty much all day, but we got so much done. So we started our day with Haunted Mansion, then we did Indiana Jones, which has some new scenes, so that was really cool. And we both agreed that the ride felt less jerky.
Yeah. It's a lot less rough.
Yeah, like it used to really beat us up a bit. Like my neck would always hurt or my back, but today it was not bad at all. So I think with the renovations, they actually upgraded the ride track, so that was really nice. And then we walked through some shops. Then we took the train over to Toontown. We got to go on Minnie and Mickey's Runaway Railway. Did you like it?
I did. It was cute.
So we went over to Toontown and we did Roger Rabbit's, and you haven't been on it in years.
I haven't been on it in forever, and it was I didn't remember it, but it wasn't as scary as my 12-year-old says it is.
Yeah. And like it was super fun. Jessica Rabbit, she has a new outfit on. She's not wearing her sexy red dress anymore. She's got kind of, I do like her, but she looked like she was wearing a raincoat.
And it was raining.
It was raining, so it was good for her today. And then from there we went on Minnie and Mickey's, which I loved. Did you enjoy it?
I did. I really loved the ballet room.
And we were just saying, well, we weren't just saying, but when we wrote it, we were kind of hoping that there was going to be more ballerina merchandise. There really wasn't anything for Daisy's room, and I love Daisy's room. And I think a lot of people think that Daisy's room is the best. After that, we went over to Galaxy's Edge. We went to Oga's, which we loved.
We did not have any cocktails.
We had no cocktails, none at all. And then we went on Rise. So we got so many rides done. By the time we left Rise, the rain was definitely starting to drop, which was awesome. And then from there, we had a reservation at Trader Sam's Tiki Room, which was perfect because we're staying at the Disneyland Hotel. Drying off because Aaron's poor feet are just...
They're fine now.
They're fine, yeah.
Yeah, they just needed to get out of my wet socks and shoes.
Yeah, like it's tough when you're at the parks in the pouring rain. Even if you're wearing ponchos or have umbrellas, if you're not wearing shoes that are waterproof, your feet are gonna get soaked. Like there was flooding. It was really bad today, but we're gonna be dry and the sun is out. There's really not any clouds in the sky either. So we're gonna head over to DCA for our evening. So that's a little catch up. That's where we are.
Right side to the left, I'll be able to check you in there. My pleasure.
Thank you. Carthay Circle uses seasonal menus, which makes it super fun to return to over and over again. I filmed this video during the spring, hence the menu name, but if you have any allergies or you don't eat meat, just talk to your server and they can go over some of the menu options to suit your dietary needs. Also, you'll find some of the best handcrafted cocktails on property here at Carthay Circle.
How fun it is.
It is really pretty.
Yeah. You need to get that form.
It's like, well, Snow White. So it's like a little gemstone. So pretty. I started with the Kampachi Ancho Chili Citrus Cured. I don't always eat fish, but I'm glad I ordered this. The flavors were amazing and it really didn't taste fishy at all, which I know sounds silly, but that's really important for me when ordering fish. And then for my main, I got the seasonal vegetable ravioli. So this has like a drizzle of a butternut squash truffle sauce. So good. Every time this is on the menu, I grab it. Also topped with some seasonal vegetables as well. And Aaron was able to get a big bowl of mashed potatoes, which I had some. They were amazing. I should have just ordered a bowl of mashed potatoes and some gluten-free roasted chicken, which he said was delicious. Then for dessert, we got this amazing chocolate mousse cake, also gluten-free. So this restaurant is really great if you have really any type of allergy, to be honest. We eat here a lot because of that. You can get a really nice upscale meal and not worry about having any allergy attacks. So we had an amazing dinner at Carthay Circle, but we both got really tired after eating. We did get up really early, like Aaron picked me up at 6 a.m. So we've been up since well before the sun got up and it just really hit us. But that's okay because we got so much done today. We had a lot of fun, and because we're staying at the Disneyland Hotel, we'll be able to get into the parks really early tomorrow. So we decided to come back here. It's like 8 o'clock now, so we're going to bed pretty early. But we're gonna get a really good night's sleep and then start again tomorrow morning. We're starting at DCA, so we're gonna get tons of fun rides done and then probably head back over to Disneyland because it was so rainy today we didn't get to enjoy Toontown, but we're gonna do that tomorrow.